I was reviewing a hat the other day, and I used this one to show the box, and was reminded that I hadn't actually done a review of this hat. Now this is a Fepsa felt, 100% rabbit, and it's 120 gram weight, so quite a lightweight. I have to say, between 110 and 130 is my sort of sweet spot for hats, because you get some nice shapes with them, but also you can get a snap in the brim and so on. This one's got what they call a special pounce on it, which means that it's actually pounced and in other words smoothed over by the factory before you actually get the felt, which is quite nice, and people like myself don't have to do too much work to it. Unusually I put a centre crease in this one, and I actually did it on the block that I make my what are they called, Raiders of the Lost Ark hats. That's the one. And so you've got a very similar look. The dimensions of the hat are, the crown is 11 centimetres high, so that's quite a nice sort of modern height, and the brim width is 7.5 centimetres. Now the size of this hat is a 59. I've got a nice custom lining in there from myself. Let's just double check the size. Yeah, it's 7 1/8, which is about a 59. So it's a bit small for myself, but whenever I send out any of these new hats, I always pop them in one of our custom boxes that I buy from a UK supplier. Inside the box here, we've got a nice oval to be able to place the hat inside with some bubble wrap, and it makes sure that it gets to you in pristine condition. Along with the box, I have instructions on how to look after the hat, a little letter from myself, and a business card so that you can reach out and get in contact with me should you want to. And I usually seal the boxes with some stickers I've had made up. Now I've never had the problem that anybody's opened the box and removed the hat, but they'd find it very hard to imitate these stickers, so I use those just on the outside of the box. So there we are, a lovely green Fepsa Fedora, beautiful shape, and all ready for the next owner.